Hi guys, welcome on Blue Hammock. Today we are going to review another built-in Python data structure, which is the set. The set is an unordered collection of distinct hashable objects. What does it mean to be hashable? An object is hashable if it has an hash value which never changes during its lifetime. So it needs an hash method to compute this hash. So how can we define a set? We can use the set constructor. We can also use the brackets in case we have some elements to put inside. So if we print type of A, we see that it's a set. But we have to be careful, because if we define an empty set like this is not a set, but this is a dictionary. So the set defines some operations and mainly are mathematical operation between sets. So we can make the difference, we can make the intersection, we can check if is superset, subset, and we can make the union between sets. So let's try with some examples. Let's say that A is the set 1, 11, 111, and B is the set 11 and 100. So now let's do the intersection between A and B. We see that only the number 11 is included in the intersection. Now we can also do, for instance, the difference. A difference B. And we see that the 11 gets subtracted to the set A. We can also use the union to make the union of two sets. So we see now that C contains all the elements that were present both in A and in B. So why should we use a set? A set can be very useful used with an iterable, for example a list, to get the distinct of the values that are present in that list. So for example, let's define this is our list L. Then we define a set on this list and we print it. And we see that the distinct values present in the list L are 1, 2, 4, and 6. Being a set of a mutable type, we can change its values. So we can use the add method. So if we want to add, I don't know, let's say 88 to the A set, it's simple as that. Or we can remove an element. So we want to remove the number 11. If we want to use a type which is similar to the set but it's immutable, it's the frozen set. So in a frozen set we cannot use this kind of method because it has no add attribute. the instance. So a useful method we can use on a set is the update method. So the update method receives an iterable and adds the elements to the set one by one. So let's say that we say update, update, and then we say range 20. We see that the update method added all the elements to the set one by one. So I hope you enjoyed this video on sets in Python, and I hope to see you here next time. Thank you.